Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to build this beautiful cherry blossom tree. So have you ever built a Japanese theme style build and like you felt like it needs a cherry blossom tree and you ended up building this horrible, disgusting, gross tree? If yes, you're watching the right video, because I'm going to show you how to build this awesome tree. So let's get right into it. So for this build, you're going to need white big clay, pink concrete, pink ceramic, pink wool, pine logs, pink planks, white planks, patterned pink glass, which is the new update, and pine slabs. So first off, we need to find like a place to build it. Here is the perfect place. And build up 5 blocks. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you want to go from here 2, from here 2, from here 1, and from here 1. Then go up and go 2 by here, 2 like that, 1 here, and 1 here. And then follow how I'm placing this here. So it's going to be like in this triangular formation. Also don't forget to fill this in just like that. And you want to do this on all the sides since they're all equal. So as you can see, just like that. Now we're only making it with pink wool now, but afterwards we'll change it. Don't forget to fill it. Now you want to go in a block and do the same thing. So just like we did in the first layer, we're going to do it on the second layer, but like in a block. It doesn't have to. So like we're entering the tree, like you know what I mean. And then you want to do it again. Go in a block and do it again. Yeah, it's a bit repetitive, I know, but trust me, it'll look great afterwards. After finishing it like this. And then finally, you want to place them like that. Now, some people will tell me, wow, you just finished your cherry blossom tree. But no, there is much to do. First, like that. You can't leave it like that. So you want to extend it from each side 1. And from one side, go up 1. Extend it 2 like that. 2 like that. Grab your pine slab and place them as shown. On the other side, you can make like custom roots. It doesn't have to be like I'm showing it, because I know it's quite hard sometimes to replicate the same thing. But yeah, it should look like that. It gives it much depth. And now, the most important part. You want to change a lot of these blocks into pink ceramic, pink concrete, white big clay, etc. So don't leave this wool like that. It's disgusting, ugly, and very, very basic. Like it will show that you're a terrible builder. So what you want to do is change the color and the texture. So as you can see, I'm placing some white planks, some pink ceramic, some white baked clay, pink concrete. All this to add detail, and it will make it look so much better, trust me. So just like that, make sure you add it like pretty much everywhere. You don't want a space where there's nothing. Okay, now we've added pretty much good enough. But now we want to grab your patterned pink glass and like go like that on top. And as you can see, we are going to try to make these small particles. It's like it's cherry blossom particles that are fading away, which this pink glass pattern, the pink glass, is great at showing it. So I guess we'll do it just like that. So you can actually sprinkle those all around the tree. It doesn't have to be from one direction. You can put them up, down, wherever you want. But yeah, I mean, it adds a lot of detail. It's a bit hard to make and repetitive, etc. But I mean, look at this. It's beautiful. Let's just add one here. Well, like that. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you a lot building cherry blossom trees. Please subscribe and hit the bell because it takes so much time to make these videos actually. And I guess I'll see you in the next video and enjoy.